Hi, my name is John Skiba and I'm an attorney in the state of Arizona. With increasing regularity, I'm seeing clients who initially sued by a junk debt buyer like Midland Funding, Portfolio Recovery, or Cash LLC turn the tables on that debt buyer for violations of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Debt buyers have two things working against them. First, they deal in huge volume. It's nearly impossible for them to truly understand what it is that they're suing on, or really to know any specifics about their case. Second, they pay very little for their accounts, usually about 4 cents on the dollar. And because they pay very little, they get very little. And often they don't have any real evidence to support their claims, which is a big no-no under the FDCPA. Recently, I had a trial against one of the debt buyers, and as I was cross-examining their custodian of records, when he made a pretty astonishing revelation. They couldn't prove what the interest rate was on the account they were suing on. This confession came about because I asked him what should have been a pretty simple question. What is the interest rate of this debt that you're suing on? He didn't know. I pointed out that just 9 months before, they had sent a demand letter to my client asking for a large sum of money along with an interest rate at 10%. He responded by stating that they were no longer seeking that interest rate because they couldn't prove it. The actual rate wasn't 10%. This acknowledgement by the debt buyer that he couldn't prove a basic element of its case, like the interest rate, not only helped seal the deal in winning the case, but it also gave rise to a claim under the FDCPA. The FDCPA prohibits debt collectors, including debt buyers, from doing anything that's unfair, untrue, undignified, or disrespectful. If they violate this law, it requires them to pay a statutory damages of up to $1,000, your legal fees, and any actual damages. Sending a demand letter to a consumer asking them to pay an interest rate that they can't prove strikes me as a little unfair or untrue. This debt buyer will be hearing from me soon. Thanks for watching.